If you want to install a VPN app on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first we're gonna go to the Play Store. Now, in the Play Store, we should be able to tap on the search button here at the bottom, and then at the top we have the search field, and now in here we can use the VPN text. We can type VPN, and we can search for VPN apps. Of course, if you have the specific name of your VPN app that you want to install, then of course you can use that instead. But if you're just generally speaking looking for a VPN app, then you can type VPN, and as you can see, we have many different VPN apps that we can try to use. Now, in my case, I'm just gonna use this one over here. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to quickly set it up. And in some cases, some VPN apps, of course, allow you to use their service for free with some limited option. And these options and features that the VPN app provides vary depending on just these apps themselves. So once we open the app, in this case, we don't have to create an account or anything like that. You can just continue as guest, which is really convenient. Of course, you might see like a premium offer or something, but you can just tap on not now in this specific case if you want to use the app for free. And then you should be able to find the connect button or something like that, and you can easily connect to a VPN, and you will be connected to a random free server that is available at a given moment. You can of course tap on change server in case you want to switch to another one. So that is pretty much it. Of course, these apps provide some settings and a couple of different options, so be sure to check them out. And in case you don't like this VPN app that I just used in this video, then of course, like I said, feel free to go to the Play Store and try to find anything that you might want to, that you might want to try out. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.